Well, here we have a shower. As you can see, we got soap scum all over here. I hear that if you use WD-40 to remove soap scum, seriously, that'll make it look amazing afterwards. Let's check this out. Let's take a look at this. You see that scum all over there? All the way along here. Looks pretty dirty. Let's check that out. We get some paper towel. We're gonna give this a buff down, clean it all up. Let's see what it looks like when we're done. It's like cleaning a mirror. Look at that. Amazing. As clean can be. Well, who would have known? Look at that. You take a look down the bottom over here. All that'll come off too. You go up over here, what you see, look at that, as clear as clear. You go over here, all that would all come off. Unbelievable. Who would have known? WD-40. Amazing stuff. Check it out.